Hello everyone and welcome to weekly gold analysis with Amanana. As the 2nd January 2026 start from 12 January until 16 January 2026. As usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and share the video to your friends. Okay, today gold already hit all-time high again at 4600, or yeah, a little bit above at 4601.695. Okay, today we hit again all-time high at a round number at 4600. As you know, today market have raised the risk of sentiment back to the safe haven asset because the geopolitical tension has rise again. Because yeah, you know, one is the oil tanker, and the second one is the US with the Syria, and the third one is US with Greenland. Yeah, if you Google it, you know what happened. Okay, as the price action for today and also for the week and the rest of the week until 16 January, I hope this week we have a clear direction until at least 4700, and we can trade above 4600 for sure. Okay, for this week, if you look at the weekly time frame, okay, before that, you know that we have a gap. Okay, today we have gap. As today is Monday, we have gap again because the geopolitical tension has rise again, and the second one is when the Venezuela president has been captured. Okay, this one gap and this one is gap. We have two gap that have not been filled. Okay, so I don't know when the gap is filled. Maybe this week or maybe next week, I don't know. But because the geopolitical tension has rising again, I don't want to this gap at the 4343 level is close or fill. The maximum because I want is at least 4500 is fill. At least, okay. So back to weekly time frame. Last week we have close candle above 4500. Okay, it means that the bullish structure on the weekly time frame still exists. We still have the at least resistance here that become support already tested at around 4320 or maybe a 4023, right? Yeah, around that. And also when the price break that structure, break that resistance, test it as a support, and price bounce it and already make a all-time high around 4600. Okay, so for the next target, yeah, you can use Fibonacci as the main target as the next projection for all-time high. You can use external Fibonacci. You can drag from here October all-time high until October low, and you can find that this Fibonacci extension on 1.618 at around 4687. Yeah, close around 4700, right? Because if you look at number 1.272 right here, the market is already respected, right? Market touch 1.272 and then retest the 78.6 Fibonacci level and then start bounce from it. Okay, so the next projection target, at least we could start we could expect the price will touch at least 1.618 at around 4700 level. Okay, that's for the weekly. At least we have another projection target around 4700 level. Okay, this is resistance that have become support that already valid. Okay, that's already validated. So this, if we have close above this week, yeah, if we have close above 4550 this week, at least we have close above 4550 this week, we have at least target 4700 at least. But if we break again below 4550 and the candle turn into bearish or turn into red, at least bearish, right, with the high top wick, I don't think we could see 4700 level. Maybe we could see at least the price would be sideways around this. If price close this week below 4550 level, or maybe just like 4500 level. If price this week, yeah, back again close below 4500 level, it means that next week we could see like this, price turn into sideways. But I don't hope like that. That was the worst scenario, yeah, the price moves sideways. But I don't think it could go that right way, because market is on the risk of mood. Market is looking for another safe haven metal asset, right, like gold and silver. As you know, silver already priced above $80 per ounce for today, and so gold maybe around 4600 level, maybe tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow, around like that, yeah. At least we could close above 4550 for this week. If we close above 4550 this week, so it means that we could start trade above maybe 4700 level, yeah, maybe around that. But yeah, anything can go, I don't know, yeah, maybe price break below and close below, or maybe price may stay what I want, price above 4550. But yeah, I want close above 4550 for sure. Okay, back to daily. For the daily time frame, the structure is still bullish. Okay, we have this one as the high, as the low, and the higher high, and price break the last low, and this low is become inducement, and the price break above that October high, which is all-time high at around 4381, and this one is become the higher high, and this one become the higher low, and this one become the higher high. So in the daily time frame, the market structure is still bullish, even in the internal structure, right? Internal structure, if you see that this one is high, low, higher high, and higher low, and higher high and higher low, okay, higher high and higher low, and higher high and higher low. So the last higher low is here at around 4271. Okay, as long as price is not broke below this, there is no change of character. There is no possible that turn bearish. Okay, so the external or the major move or the major structure is bullish. The internal or the minor structure is bullish. Everything turn bullish, so the price goes up, yeah, with the target is around 4700 level. With the last swing, if we look at last all-time high, like around 4550, like here, if we drag the Fibonacci level, we can find that at least we have the closest one as the target is around 4625, yeah, 4625, and the next one is 4720, like around here. Okay, so this area, like around 4689 until 4720 is the first target as the Fibonacci level. Okay, if the price broke beyond 4725, maybe we can start looking for 800 level, yeah, or maybe 900 level, or maybe the logic one is 5,000, yeah, if the price break above 4700. If price break for 700, we can expect 800 and also 900, and the last one is 5,000. That's it, yeah. So because today we have the break of structure here, so as Monday for today we need at least price close above 4550. So when the price break above 4550, so it means the price is already break that structure, market already break that BOS, or maybe you can say it as the break of structure. Okay, so if price break or if price break this high and already already break of structure, we can expect price that retest that resistance that become support right here, and we can expect price start bounce from it, and we can start looking for 600 level until 700 level as the main target and the first target. You can expect this resistance that becomes support right now as a daily time frame, or maybe the farthest one is when the price is fill the gap or maybe close the gap, like around today at around 4522 until 4509, like around maybe 100 pip, yeah, 115 pip. When the price close when the price fill this gap, we can expect that market already fill the gap, and we can expect market can bounce from it and start looking for 700 level. Okay, as for daily time frame, we can expect that maybe retest that maybe retest this resistance become support, or maybe we can expect market fill the gap before bounce until 700 level. For the 4-hour time frame, the main structure is already bullish. Okay, the 4-hour time frame, if you look at the historical, yeah, right here we can lower high and lower low, and we can see that this lower high and this is the higher low, and when price break this level like around 4404, this is a change of character. When price did change of character level, you can see price retest the change of character level at around 4404, retest and bounce from it. So it means that the major structure from 4-hour time frame is already bullish. Even the minor one, yeah, the minor or the internal structure, yeah, you can choose whatever, yeah. This is the internal, yeah, the internal is already bullish. So this is the move, yeah, this is high, this is low, this is higher high. So the Fibonacci you can use is this until this. You can drag from here until here. See, you can see this is a gap when the Venezuela president, and this is for today, yeah, as the geopolitical tension is rising again as for today, yeah. So the prices already did the 38.2 retracement, and I think this already enough to create another higher high. So the main or the major or the external structure is already bullish. So it means we can see that this as a break of structure at around 500 level. So that's why on the daily time frame, I can expect that at least, or the farthest one, the price is fill this gap today, or at least the price test the break of structure, retest this of the breakout structure on a 4-hour time frame. When that happen, the price would move like this. The market create the higher low, create the higher high, and continue like this. This is the move that I want, right? Simple move, but as the volume is bigger, volume is become bigger, and the volatility is become more extremeable. So please be careful to trade this week, because market is risk off, and also this week we have the US CPI number on Wednesday. So please be careful. Anything that move beyond your habit, please don't expect too much lah. Okay. So this is the 4-hour time frame expectation. I hope that the price is at least retest this breakout structure daily around 455 level, or fill the gap until breakout structure, retest the breakout structure on a 4-hour time frame at 4500 level. And when price did that, we can expect that price could go until 4700 level. You can start looking for buy around here, or maybe start buy from here with the maximum profit until 4700 level around here. Okay, so for now, at least you have to wait. At least you have to wait. Maybe for today, or maybe tomorrow. At least this one is the scenario. Okay, for the 1-hour time frame, it's the same one as the 4-hour time frame. There is nothing much I can say. Okay, so this is the scenario. So we could expect market can give us the perfect entry, maybe around this breakout structure, or maybe around this breakout structure on the 4-hour time frame, or maybe like around this gap. Okay, which one is better? It's up to you. Okay, it depends on the market. Which one is maybe around here or maybe here, I don't know. Okay, so at least you have the direction, you have the prediction. At least we have to buy. At least we have to buy because the fundamental prices, because the Trump and also US government and etc. did the you can Google it, like Venezuela oil tanker, and also US and Iran or Syria, and the last one is US with Greenland. That cause risk off in the market. Okay, so please be careful, don't act too much. If you cannot trade this market with high volatility, please don't do that. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for like, thank you for subscribe, and I can update this analysis or this prediction or this forecast if price break below 400 level, and also if price break above 4700 level. Okay, as long as price still within this breakout structure daily and still within 4700 level around here, this is the same analysis. Okay, thank you everyone, and see you on the next week gold analysis. Bye bye.